patch of the wild onions. To me, the wild onions taste and look like chives. I think it's maybe in the same family, not sure. That's what it tastes like. The wild garlic coming in. I've never ate it, but I'm going to. And there's a lot of the wild onions too. They're everywhere too. I have ate them. They're pretty good. A bunch of wild garlic coming up. Yep, right there. You can see the wild onions kind of took over this little field. And it is close to the tire swing. That's kind of neat. Neighbor kids love playing on it. You don't mind. Lots of wild onions here. I think they're in the chive family because that's what they taste like. Daffodillies, or some people call them Easter flowers, popped up around the sanctuary. Looks like it's got some wild garlic beside of it. This guy's up early. Yay. It's a woodpecker right there. There, you can hear him. These guys are starting to come up with the green. So pretty. More daffodils coming up. She is. That's her setting on her eggs. Mourning dove. There's the cherry blossoms. Right there, and you can hear the bees. Hope she doesn't fly away. Cardinal right there. I like to hear him sing. I call this my outside sanctuary. It's a good setting place, good meditation. I have hostas, some of the daffodils, different plants around it. They're starting to come up. Looks really pretty. Everything's starting to green. You can see that last time I showed you this path, it was covered in snow, but it's getting green. We had a lot of trees come down with the wind. The pine path looks neat with the sun coming through all the way up through there. Another favorite trail. The Lord's blessed me to be able to walk on. Wind's blowing these guys. It looks cool. More daffodils. By the big rock. And the wood fence we put up. I'm on the other side of the creek looking at the sanctuary, I call it. My outside sanctuary. Looks pretty neat from across here to see the flowers in bloom and looking at it through the trees. Awesome. See the green coming on, which I absolutely love. And it looks like there's going to be a lot of chickweed in there. I have made the chickweed salve with plantain. Very easy to make, very soothing for many things.